To add to my last comment, you defined personality as the imagine breaking into my house and hearing honk honk before getting soaked shirt way someone tends to behave. But without free will there would be no need for the idea of imagine breaking into my house and hearing honk honk before getting soaked shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. No kids, no house. Just a wise man trying to imagine breaking into my house and hearing honk honk before getting soaked shirt to make up his mind whether to let the grass come back and unable to decide. I'm 30 years old and I have never heard that phrase before. But I did learn it myself in the past couple of years. Glad to have a short phrase to sum it up now. That's an amazing quote. Totally resonates. Do you know who said it? Similar idea. Love is an action, not a feeling. Or, love is a choice, not a feeling. Or, love is a verb, not a noun.